You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing word. By the way, if you want to learn more medical terms, I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Rheumatology, let's break it down. Rheuma, a schwa sound. Rheuma. Don't worry about the EU. It's not rheumu or rheumu. Rhu. Just rheumatology. The stress is on the to syllable. You may have slightly different sounds depending on whether it's American or English, British English, on the to or to. Rheumatology. How to pronounce rheumatology. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.